Opening shot of a fiery asteroid hurtling through space. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got some pretty intense news to share with you all. An asteroid the size of a football field is currently on a collision course with Earth. Intense music playing in the background. I know, it sounds like something straight out of a Hollywood movie, but this is very real. This looming threat is no joke, and it's set to make impact in 2024. Now, let's dive into what this impending asteroid threat means for all of us. Transition to a graphic showing Earth and the asteroid's trajectory. Imagine this, a massive asteroid hurtling towards our planet, with the potential to cause widespread devastation. This is the reality we're facing in 2024. The impact of such an event could be catastrophic, with consequences felt globally. Transition to a scientist studying data on a computer screen. The challenges scientists are currently facing are immense. Tracking and predicting the asteroid's exact trajectory is no easy feat. The margin for error is minuscule, and any miscalculation could spell disaster for Earth. Transition to a visualization of the asteroid colliding with Earth. Now, let's explore the various scenarios that could unfold if the asteroid were to collide with our planet. From massive tsunamis to widespread destruction, the potential devastation is unimaginable. It's a chilling reminder of how fragile our existence truly is. Transition to a news report highlighting space agencies' efforts. But wait, there's a glimmer of hope. Recent findings and efforts by space agencies around the world are focused on potentially diverting or mitigating the asteroid's impact. From innovative technologies to daring missions, the race is on to protect Earth from this impending threat. Transition to a summary screen. In conclusion, the urgency and importance of addressing potential asteroid threats cannot be overstated. The safety of our planet and all life on it hangs in the balance. It's crucial that we come together as a global community to tackle this challenge head-on. Transition to a call to action screen. So, what are your thoughts on this looming asteroid threat? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on space-related content. Together, we can stay informed and prepared for whatever the universe throws our way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and stay safe.